The team proudly flies a state-of-the-art advanced light helicopter, or DROON, the first indigenous helicopter manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Indeed, a fine product of Indian aviation industry and the symbol of Make in India. So sit back, hold tight, look to your right, presenting to you the Sarang Helicopter Display Team. Validu Pakam Sarang Helicopter Display Team, Parkavo. Ladies and gentlemen, the team now presents a beautiful diamond for all of you present here. Demonstrating the agility of the helicopter, Sarang 4 pulls out for a stall turn. To enter positions for the next maneuver, the Sarang split. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just a start of the
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Make in India rotor formation of India, by India, of India, HAL's Make in India. Ladies and gentlemen, we now have the prototype of the light utility helicopter.
Ladies and gentlemen, this day flight is all about precision and teamwork. The pilots have to demonstrate very high skill levels as they fly the DROON helicopter in close proximity to the ground. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the ultimate test in aviation for both the man and the machine. This will be well understood when the men maneuver the Made in India DROON helicopter. So sit back, hold tight, get ready to feel the downwash, and listen out for the sound of rotors as we present to you the Sarang Helicopter Display Team. The team is maintaining the wine glass formation while raising a toast on the Defense Expo 2018. Today, flying right behind the leader is Sarang 4 with Sarang 2 formating to his left and Sarang 3 to his right. And now, to ring the right turn, look out for the change from inverted wine glass to India formation. Ladies and gentlemen, Sarang presents this India formation to all the brave doctors approaching from your left. On the leader's command, the formation will change from India to diamond, greeting all the beautiful ladies present here. Let's listen out for the leader's call. Surprise, the captain of Saturn 4 pulls up for a stall turn. Ladies and gentlemen, with a precision steep turn, Saturn 4 tees off for a short break. May I request the audience to wave to the pilots of Saturn 4 as they peel off. Ladies and gentlemen, shift your gaze with their flying skills and need to have absolute faith in the abilities of their teammates. All three helicopters flying abreast will pull up in the vertical plane and carry out a synchronized stall turn to the left. Here it is not just the machines, but the men behind the machines who actually count. So hold your breath, look straight ahead. Saturn 1, 2 and 3, run in for the team's signature maneuver, the Dolphin's Leap. And there we see Saturn 4 accelerating to join up with the formation. A word about our maintenance team led by Wing Commander Himanshu Purohit. Commander Parandaman, Flight Lieutenant Nidhi and Flight Lieutenant Deepak help out in a much demanding work. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also pleased to announce Flight Lieutenant Karthik, the co-pilot of Saturn 1, is a proud alumnus of Sri Sai Ram Engineering College, Chennai. And Commander Parandaman, the engineering officer of the team, is a proud alumnus of Hindustan College of Engineering, Chennai. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Chennaiites among us. Ladies and gentlemen, every year, large number of pilots volunteer to be part of the Saturn team. The other expert pilots of the team are Wing Commander Girish Kumar, Wing Commander Dhankar, Wing Commander Mogi, Wing Commander Pawar, Commander Bhushan, Commander Milan, Flight Lieutenant Pundi. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the team is rolling in for the next maneuver, the crossover break. Let's look straight ahead and listen out for the leader's call. Ladies and gentlemen, that was just a start. Praise Tamil Nadu Cross. Hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is just a perfect cross. Direction, each helicopter will cross the other in a gap of less than 1 second, and that's also in the same plane. Ladies and gentlemen, team coming straight ahead for level mesh. gentlemen, please put your hands together for the precision level mesh right in front of you. Positioning for the level cross. The helicopters are flying at just 50 meters above the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, and let the helicopters turn towards each other and coming in for level cross. For all those who it's the first time, ladies and gentlemen, Sarang 3 and Sarang 4. And here they pull up. Ladies and gentlemen, do not be deceived by the man saving lives. Winning your heart away, we have Sarang 1 and Sarang 2, making a beautiful heart for all of you present here. Sarang 1 and Sarang 2. Ladies and gentlemen, do not wait and take a snapshot of the screen right in front of you where you have a beautiful heart from the Sarang team.